Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. So today's wonderful happy mail comes from the beautiful MJ, my wonderful friend MJ over at My Paper Journey. A lot of you guys are new to this channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background as far as MJ's channel. She does hashtag It's My Bag, where she alters these beautiful bags. I will be linking those videos down below, as well as participates in the hashtag Thrifty Treasures, and she's also been doing such a wonderful, process video when she does the hashtag 50 stacks challenge, where she alters guest checks, and they're absolutely stunning. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check out her channel. I'm sure you will find something that you will love. So if anything like that interests you, be sure to check out the links down below. Alright, so in today's video, as per the title, y'all will see that I'm going to be trying on some of the cute little things that she sent me within her package. I'm really excited. She had recently viewed my hashtag ASMR Sundays, which is hosted by me and my beautiful friend Kara over at Paper Confessions. So if you also missed that, I will be linking that down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. First off, MJ, this bag is so cute. I love the pink. It's giving me Valentine's Day vibes. It is so cute. I will most definitely be reusing this. Recycling for sure. I see something already and I'm gonna be very careful. MJ, once again, my dear friend, thank you so much for preparing this. I was really excited. I was like, should I do this for another ASMR? But I know I'm gonna get really excited and giddy over it, so why not just film it? Oh, she sent me a letter. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. Oh, she's gonna make me be all stylish. Okay, some of these little pieces are lingering inside. Let me go ahead and pull those out. Yes, so she saw my ASMR Sunday and asked me what size of clothes I wear, and I think she wanted me to give her clothes a new life, which I will absolutely do. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and see what her little card says. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love these flowers. Those are beautiful. So cute. And inside the teacup. That's precious. Okay, let me have a read. Oh, my sweet MJ. You are so... Oh my gosh, my heart. She's so sweet. Yes, I have used your printer. I absolutely love it. The last ones that I had printed out were Jovi's printables. So Jovi over at Creating with Jovi, she had some beautiful Valentine's printables that I was able to use in some cute little... in her collab. And so yes, I have used my printer. It has been such a blessing. Thank you so much. And it's funny because I was printing out a lot of like the printables at like the Staples and stuff, and y'all are probably bored about that. But anyways, at the time, I would also print out my Poshmark labels if I ever had to ship out anything for Poshmark. And now they have a printable thing that they just scan at the post office. I was like, where was this when I didn't have a printer? But anyways, MJ, yes, thank you so much. I adore it. I treasure it. And I will certainly give the boys your hugs. And I think this is already more than I could have asked for. So thank you so much, MJ. And I love my card. This will most definitely be going in my journal. I'm all tongue-tied. Okay, let's go ahead and show you these cuties. These were the ones that were at the bottom of the bag, and I think these are so cute to embellish junk journals with. How cute are those? And even this little, it looks like a little belt buckle or something. Isn't that pretty with those gems? And then she said that she said that she included a couple of goodies here, but oh, she did not have to do this, but I appreciate it. Look at this. They're like little flatbacks. Great for embellishing a journal as well, or anything really. How cute. Love them. I will certainly use those. And my printer too. I have continued to use it. Oh, I'm so in love. She was so sweet to get me a whole printer, you guys. Yes, you heard me right. She got me a whole printer. Oh, I better put this back. There we go. Look at this cute little dragonfly. And these are like little tea bags. How cute are these? I could embellish these ones. They would make great for like sending happy mails, like wax seals. That'd be so cute to put little ephemera in there too. Things like that. Oh, that is so cute. I don't have anything like that, so that's perfect. And look, she even sent me some precious little appliques here. We've got one in this beautiful classic looking white, and then we have this, oh, they look the same, huh? Look how cute. And this one is in green and pretty large pieces. Oh my gosh, I'm working on a journal. I think some of these would look really cute in it. Thank you. She has some of the most beautiful collection of laces. MJ. Aww. I remember she was telling us how, I was, sorry. Okay, so anyways, she had some scissors, and she likes to, you know, when she goes outdoors and she spots a really pretty flower, she'll go and like snip it, and it made me think of something so funny, but I'll tell you in a little bit. And that's what those little scissors that she was like having carried around, they're portable and they're so cute and they fold. Oh my gosh, let me just get them out while I tell you a little bit about this. But we have a neighbor that lives behind us, and he has a beautiful rosemary tree or rosemary bush, and every time me and Paul go on walks, we go and smell it, and it makes me think of MJ when when she goes up to this things, like I'm just like, oh, I want a piece of that rosemary. It smells so good, so me and Paul always smell it when we go by. But okay, don't hurt yourself, BB. I'm a klutz when it, ooh, am I doing this right, MJ? Watch me break them. No, vale más que no, because I feel like I'm gonna break them. Am I doing this right? Okay, so they tuck in here, but I'm like really scared. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh yeah, I get to carry this around in my little purse. Ooh, if I see something cute, I can certainly take these with me. Oh, thank you, MJ. Cute. Thank you so much. They're so beautiful. I can't wait to try them. And then we have a cute little Valentine's thing here. Let me have a look. Oh, she sent me a cute little Valentine's card. I hope you like the vest. I'm sure that I will love them. I already love this pink. Look, I'm already matching with it. It's so cute. And it has a cat, which I love cats. So this is perfect. Your possum. Look how blinged out this cat is. That's so cute. And then here we have, what do I even call this? Look, this already looks cute with this on top of it. I don't know what this is called, but it's so cute. And I think it's gonna look amazing on some journals. And then she DIY'd some cute little music paper pockets here. And look at this washi tape. Where did you get this washi tape? That is so cute. I love it. And I think this is where these little guys fell out from, the ones I was showing y'all earlier. And I think the washi tape gave out, but that's okay. I know where they belong now, so that'll be going back in there. And then, oh, I already see butterflies. She's such a doll. Oops, the washi tape's coming off. I'm gonna save this washi tape and put it in my journal. I love it. Mira, oh, she sent me a little bundle of these flowers. Look how cute they are. Oh, those are so cute. MJ, thank you. Look, oh, these are precious. I love these. Oh, these are gonna look so cute. Ugh, I could already see them being used in like a whimsical journal. And she sent a lot. Oh my gosh, that is a generous amount. MJ, you did not have to do that. Ooh, look at these. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she's stunning. I love this. Oh, look at her too. I love the writing there on the side. She's carrying some flowers with her. Aww. This is so cute. Oh, this one's so adorable. Oh, they're all adorable. Oh, they're all precious. Thank you. Oh, look at these butterflies. These would be awesome too. Yeah, they're like little stickers, little vellum stickers. I use these all the time. I use little stickers like this all the time, and I love them. Oh, wow. She sent me some of these, what are these? Timesheets, I think? Timesheets? Nowadays, everybody just scans a card or something, so I have not seen one of these in a long time, but these are great to alter and like she does her guest checks. Cute, and she sent me quite a bit of those. I love them. Love them, love them. You see, this is what I was saying, like you can put little Happy Mail goodies and stuff like this. Let's open this up and have us a look. These are little embellishments. Ooh, look at that. And they're pearly. I love anything pearly. I need to get me some E6000 so that they stick on the project because I want to make sure everything stays on in place when I'm gluing anything down. She has great taste. And then these ones are the ones that's supposed to go in that little pouch that I showed y'all earlier with the music paper. Goes over here. And then she sent me even more goodies. I think these look like charms. She thought of everything. I could just picture her preparing this little Happy Mail, and I know things like this take time and thought and effort, so MJ, I know you're a very busy woman and she took time out of her day to prep all these cuties for me, so I'm so very grateful. Aren't those adorable? That'd be great for like a sewing journal. So cute. And this reminds me of my logo for BB's Closet Creations. I don't do dry cleaning, so don't get no ideas, folks. If y'all have watched What's in a Name Challenge, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, moving on to the next little item that we've got here. She sent me some, ooh, I'm seeing some flowers. I love flowers. Look how cute! Oh, these are so pretty, and she sent me pastels. I love pastels, anything pearly. Look, oh, these are so precious. Look at that, and there's more. I didn't take all of them out, but they are so cute. Look at the little baggie she sent them into. It's so tiny. Reminds me of like a button bag. Oh, look at this trim. What is this called? Oh, I forget what it's called. But I like how she even put, like, how simple is this? I overcomplicate everything sometimes. And she just did the simple little boop. Or even adding a charm to something like this. How cute would that be for Happy Mail? Love this. That's so pretty. She is the queen of pink. She loves pink. So here is the precious little cardigan. I already love the fabric. That is so pretty. I can't wait to try this on. So let me go ahead and move these cuties to the side so I can show y'all more thoroughly. Oh, look how oh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be weird and smell it. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so here we have at the little bottom this cute little band, and look at all these buttons. There's snaps. Awesome. How cute. I love it. Oh my god, MJ, I can't wait to try this. And here's the sleeves. Oh, I love this color. So pretty. I can't wait to try this on. And she sent me a vest. I don't have one. Well, I have one, but it's like very thin denim, like super thin denim. So this is like thick, you know, this is like jean denim. That's what I'm trying to get at. So how cute. Look at these pockets. Oh, I love it. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. I'm gonna model them for y'all. How cute. And it is from the brand She Said. I have never heard of it, but I am going to give this wonderful clothes a second life. MJ, like, thank you so much. I feel so honored to get to wear your clothes. Is that weird to say? I hope not. But yes, let's go ahead and give these cuties a try. I hope you guys enjoyed that little try on, MJ. Thank you so much. I adore it. I love it. And I can't wait to put them in my everyday little wardrobe and outfits. And like I said, I actually prefer when things are secondhand. I'm excited to incorporate these into my everyday little wardrobe. So I feel so blessed that I get to wear your clothes, MJ. This is so special to me. You have no idea. It means a whole lot more whenever I get clothes secondhand. I prefer it that way. So thank you so much, MJ. I feel so blessed with all of these wonderful goodies. Oh my gosh, I even missed this little cameo here. It flew off over here, I guess, when I was getting things out of the bags. But oh my gosh, I feel so blessed. And MJ, thank you so much for my printer. I love it. And I also can't wait to use my little scissors as well. But that wraps it up for me, you guys. I adore you, MJ. Sending you my love, my kisses. I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Please don't forget to check out the links down below and have a look at MJ's channel. That wraps it up for me, you guys. Y'all take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.